Good morning friends. Today I will go through the topic of area. Area. See, what exactly the area is? First of all, always remember it's a vector quantity. It's a vector quantity. Oh, vector quantity. Then it should have some direction. If it is a vector quantity, then it should have some direction. Acha, then we thought, acha, if area is having some direction, then where the direction is? Where the direction is? Then again we gone through the topic. Then we got to know, acha, direction means its direction will be perpendicular to the surface. Perpendicular to the surface. Why direction should be because vector means what? Vector means the physical quantity which is vector. It means that physical quantity should have fixed direction and magnitude. Fixed direction and magnitude. Achha, now you listen properly. See here, what is it is a vector quantity. It is a perpendicular surface. Direction will be a perpendicular surface. Achha. Perpendicular surface means what? What is perpendicular surface means? Like I taken this area. See it very properly. I taken an area. Okay. I taken an area. When I taken an area of radius r, this is a circle. It's a circle. Achha. What will be the area of the circle? Achha. Area of the circle we know it is area is equals to pi r square. Pi r square. See what exactly we will do. See here. I taken radius r. Achha, when I taken radius r, so direction. So how we will find a direction? We will take the right hand rule. We will take the right hand thumb rule. We will keep the thumb here like this here. We'll curl the finger. To where it is curling, see thumb is showing where outside, not twing outside. If you are moving like this, see here twing. See here properly. And if you move like this also, twing, it is going inside also. Means it is having two direction. Which direction we will take? This is the main point where the student get mistake. Which direction we should take? So understand very properly. Like this is the area, and on this area vector came this one and this one too. Which one we will take? Both we can take. Always remember. Both we can take means what? If we curling the finger like this, so thumb is coming outside. If you are curling the finger like this, it is coming inside. It means that it is having both the direction. But in any one question, we will consider any one direction. If in any question we have considered that the direction of the area vector is outside, for the whole question we will consider that the area vector will be always outside or inside. Understand it very properly. Means it's having plus and minus both. Now if I say what exactly the area vector direction, if I make a axis, see here very properly, this I made y axis, and this I made x axis, twing, this I made x axis. See now where that y axis is? See here, where it is going? Outside is coming now. So what is it? Inside and outside. Means if I say plus or minus pi r square j cap, is it correct? See here, complete direction came. Achha. This is the part of the direction, but we will curl the finger and the thumb will show the direction of the area. Achha. Thumb shown the direction of the H. Here what happened? We see that direction perpendicular to the surface. What exactly the surface means? what exactly the surface means. What exactly the surface means? What exactly the surface means? Surface means it is of two types. See here, surface is of two types. Okay? One is closed surface and one is open surface. See here, surface is again is of two types. One is closed surface and one is open surface. Acha, closed surface means what and open surface means what, bhai? Acha, we will see it here. What is closed surface and what is open surface? See it very properly. Closed surface. And here happened open surface. Okay. How the direction will be in closed surface, how the direction will be in open surface, we will see it here now. Achha. We will see the difference now. See very properly. See it. Open surface first we will go. Open surface. Open surface means what? Open surface means what? Disc. Like disc. I kept it like this. See here. Now only I shown. See here. Now only I shown. Open surface means what? It's a disc. Open surface means what? Disc. Then rectangular plate. See here. Rectangular plate. See here. If I ask you what is the direction of this disc? What is the direction of this disc? What is the direction of this disc? Then what you will see? It is having two direction. It is having two direction. One direction upward, one direction up, and one direction down. See here. One direction down. Okay. This will be the y and this will be the minus y. See here. What I said, it will be always perpendicular to the surface. See, perpendicular surface is there. If we consider direction of the area if we consider the area of the direction is up, for whole question we will consider what? It is always up. Remember it very properly. Whole question we will remember that it is always up. If we consider down, the whole question we will consider it is always down. Achha. Same thing will happen in this. See here. Up, okay, down, okay. Rectangular plate. So these type of surface will be what? These type of surface will be what? Open surface. This type of surface will be what? Open surface. Okay. Achha. Then what is closed surface, bhai? Closed surface means sphere, cuboid or cube. This will be the closed surface. This will be the closed surface. Achha bhai, achha bhai, achha bhai. Okay. Then how we will show the direction in this? How we will show the direction in this? How we will show the direction in this? Direction will be here, area direction will be always perpendicular to the surface. See here, like this it will be. See here, it's a sphere, the direction will be like this, outside. Whole surface. See? And this will be perpendicular. This will be perpendicular. Here also something like this, here. Like this, going up, coming down. See? Always perpendicular. This is what? Sphere. And this is what? Cube. You got the difference? You got the difference? You got the difference? What is the exact? What exactly it is saying? It is saying that area vector direction will be always perpendicular to the surface. Else the surface is closed. Else the surface is open. If it is open surface, so it will act like this: curl finger up, curl finger up, curl finger down, curl finger down. But in closed surface, what will happen? As the surface will be on that perpendicular, it will be acting. On that perpendicular, it will be acting. Achha bhai. This is the vector form. Vector form, it happens what? For open surface, we consider one perpendicular direction for area vector direction and stick to it for whole problem. For whole problem, we will stick to it, and it can change also. For whole problem, we will stick. But for a closed surface, what will happen? Closed surface always consider outward normal. Outward normal. This is called outward outward normal. It will be always outward normal. It will be always outward normal. Okay, outward normal as area vector direction. Achha. See now how we will do the question. See how we will do the question now. Okay, question. See, like I give an area, rectangle I give. I'm doing this one. See it. Okay, I give an area. So this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Achha. Now, if I asked what is the area of this rectangle, what is the area of this rectangle? I said why this is having B and this is A. What is the area of the rectangle? Now, if we see properly, then what exactly we will get? If we keep our right hand here and we curl the finger, the direction is coming where? Twing, 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 outside. Oh, direction came outside. Then area vector will be plus from here to here we went now. Like this we went. Means AB, see it. AB cross AD. AB cross AD. See area vector. AB cross AD. See how I am writing. One more question we will do. See it. One more question, like here I am doing the question. See, any type of area vector you get, any type of area. See, now we can see the area. See, what will happen exactly? AB is what? AB is what? AB B cross A. Got? B cross A. Achha. See now, one more question. Little bit good question we will take now. Little bit good question. Okay. See now. XYZ axis I have taken. Take XYZ axis I have taken. Achha. See, this is Z axis, this is Y axis, and this is X axis. Okay. Achha. When I taken this, I made like this. See here. Understand it. I will make you understand. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will make you understand. This is angle 37 degree. Angle 37 degree. This is point D. 0,5. I given this angle. Okay. And this you take as 4,0,3. 4,0,3. I am making the name A, this is B, this is C. Achha. See now exactly how it is kept. First you understand how it is kept. Side square side is 5 meter. Okay, square side is 5 meter. Achha. How it is kept, first you understand. See here, X, Y, Z axis is taken. X, Y and Z axis has taken. See something like this, no? Something like this came, no? X, Y, Z axis. It is kept how? Like this. Understand now? It is kept like this. See? See here, everyone can see? See? Here what happened? This is 37 degree. This is 37 degree. See here at Y axis. So this is happened what? Y. This what happened? Y. And this is, this see here, this is Z and this is X. See, it is kept like this. Like this it is kept. Okay? See now how I will solve it. See here. Achha, area vector means what? Achha, area vector means what, bhai? This cross this. This cross this. Achha. Thik bhai. How we will do now? See. How we so how you want to see here very properly? Very good thing it is. Very good thing. Very good thing. See here. Acha, AB cross. What exactly we'll do? AB cross AD. AB cross. AB cross AD. AB cross AD. ठीक. We will do AB cross AD. अच्छा, AB is what? AB is what? अच्छा, AB we seen 4, 0, 3. 4, 0, 3. Oh ho, 4, 0, 3. तो 4i cap plus 0j cap plus 3k cap. अच्छा, AB we got 4i cap plus 0j cap plus 3k cap. Oh ho. Then cross AD. AD means what will happen? 0 I cap 5 J cap. See, this only happened now. Now if we will do the cross product, what exactly we will get? 5 cross J. So I cross I is what? I cross I is K. I cross I is K. See, little bit I'll show you here. Very small, like I J K. I J K. If you are moving like this along the arrow, if you are moving along the arrow, I said what here? I cross J. I cross J is K. To 5 4s are 20 K cap. 20 K cap. ठीक. अच्छा. J cross J. J cross J. J cross J will be खत्म. ठीक. This is 0. अच्छा. Then what happens here? Plus K cross J. K cross J. If you are moving opposite, if you are moving in same direction, then plus sign will come. If you are moving in opposite direction, example like this, and like this, that will become minus. See now, what exactly happened? 5 3s are 15. K cross J, it is going in opposite direction. Minus sign will come, means it will become minus. 5 3s are 15. J, K cross J is I cap. See what exactly you got. Area equals to 20 K cap minus 15 I cap. Minus 15 I cap. So we got the answer here. I hope you understood the class. Thank you.